I did it my way.
Yep. And here's today's project. I've got an irregularly shaped, god damn it, cat, be quiet. An irregularly shaped hole here. You can see that that at one point it was enlarged by the prior owner. It starts here, goes to here, and would normally be a square about that same size. It's the same size as the hole that's there for the brake cylinder, booster, pedal box, yada yada yada. And it's to put all that stuff on the right-hand drive. So I need to cover the entire thing here. I'm going to go from here to here to here, over, I'll drill a hole, and then down again. So that's going to be about a 17 by 17. I've already measured it. I'm going to precisely measure it and map it out on a piece of cardboard, and then and then transfer that to a piece of metal that I'll cut out. Yeah, that's it. And here's the piece of metal that I'll be trimming out. I'm going to trim out two pieces and see which one fits the best. I'm pretty confident in my cutting ability, but you know, you never know. And here's roughly how it'll look. I've got to do a quick trim there in the center where that black mark is here, and then I'm going to paint it, and then I need to drill some holes in the heater dash, heater shelf, whatever you call it, and bolt it in. Yeah, it's pretty easy. This has been what, half hour? That's done. I let this dry overnight and I put it on. It looked ugly as piss without the bolts on, but and then it looked kind of nice. I'll just pan around here. Yep, not bad. I may redo it at some point, make it a little bit bigger, but get rid of the speckledies. From a distance, it looks pretty black. It looks pretty nice.